Alright, DIY, I've sheeted my wall. I've put my primer sealer on to get rid of any dust. Cleaned up my trowel a little bit. This is Mastic, called Mastic. One pot. It's good stuff. It's good stuff because I can now hang my tile from up here and work down. Don't use it for anything else. You only use it for mosaics. Sweet. When you're combing mastic, just slow down a little bit and it goes on better. A little bit more up here. That's the ticket. That's my plumb line. See how they hang? Bloody beautiful. Right, I want to check. Where's something I can use? Oh yeah, that's nice. I like it. That's nice. You just press them into place. Get rid of that. Get a few sheets. They're a bit slippery, but sometimes use the flat trowel, doesn't matter, whatever works. Then slowly comb it off. Just like that. Mosaics are pretty cool in their own right, as say like a feature wall. They're cool. I don't mind them. But when you got a whole bathroom, nah, not for me. Some people like doing a whole bathroom in mosaic, but I have done a whole bathroom in mosaic, and yeah, no, didn't like it at all. But the owners loved it. That's what they were after. There we go, Freddy. If it was a smaller mosaic, like an inch by inch, I would use a wooden float to pat them on. I don't need to in this case because it's a bigger mosaic. Hot chili. Now, am I going to be lucky like I was? Oh my God. You wouldn't read about it. Oh, I didn't look at that. Look at that. Oh. Okay, my Sigma's upstairs, so I'll run up and get that, or I should hit that before I do my cuts. Dropped it on the floor. If you come down a little bit slower, you don't tear it. And when you tear it, you sort of get holes. If you're just a little bit slower, you're laughing. slap it on and just smooth it off, comb it off once you've got it all on. You get it on the best way you know how. Oh, nice guys, nice. If you want to know, or if you want to ask me anything, anyone that's watching DIYs, just drop me a line to one of, you know, on top of one of my videos. Ask me the question. I'll do my best to get back to you. I should have a bucket of water. This stuff, this glue, doesn't like water. It hates it. It hates water. So if you just drop your trowel into a bucket of water, it keeps it clean. Press them on. And I'll come back to you shortly. I'll just jack up my cutter. I've got it upstairs, so I'll go up and get it, sort myself out, and I'll show you how to cut these little suckers. Okay, we'll see you soon. Yo!